How to remove YouTube Shorts on desktop and mobile app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove YouTube Shorts. Now, to do this on a desktop, you want to open up any web browser and head over to youtube.com. Now, on the home feed, you want to scroll and find the Shorts section. Now, if you do not want this Shorts section over here, then you want to click on the cross icon. Here it says not interested. So what you want to do is click on this not interested button over here. Once you click on this cross mark, here it says that this shelf has been hidden for 30 days. So for that time period, you will not see shorts. You can undo this over here if you do not want to hide shorts. But if you do, you can simply click on this cross icon, and for 30 days, you will no longer see shorts on YouTube. Now to remove YouTube Shorts on your mobile app, you want to launch open the YouTube app on your device. Now again, you want to scroll until you get the Shorts option over here. Now, you simply want to tap on these three dots over here. You have the option of show fewer shorts here, so you can tap on this. Or you want to tap on the three dots to this individual short and then tap on the not interested option. Now you want to do this for all the shorts over here. As you can see, the short has been successfully removed. Now you can also tap on see fewer shorts option over here. And as you can see, shorts is no longer shown on your YouTube feed on the mobile app. Now remember that this is only a temporary solution and you are not able to permanently remove the YouTube shorts on desktop or mobile app, but you can do this temporarily. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.